Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of hard water ruining your clothes or sediment clogging up your laundry appliances, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best inline water filter for washing machine setups available right now. We've tested 5 incredible inline filters that easily attach to your washer's inlet hoses to give you crystal clear water, protect your machine, and keep your clothes looking vibrant. Let's dive straight in.
Product number 1. AQUA CREST RV Inline Hose Water Filter. Starting off our list is the AQUA CREST RV Inline Hose Water Filter, a fantastic tool when it comes to delivering clean, purified water straight into your washing machine. While originally designed for heavy-duty RV and camper use, this filter is a brilliant life hack for your laundry room because it attaches directly to any standard 3/4-inch hose thread. It utilizes an advanced granular activated carbon and KDF filtration system that drastically reduces chlorine, heavy metals, rust, and sediments before they ever reach your washing drum. This means brighter whites, softer fabrics, and zero rust stains on your favorite garments. The strengthened food-grade plastic housing is pressure-tested to prevent bursting, ensuring absolute safety indoors. Plus, it comes with an anti-kink flexible hose protector to prevent water restriction behind your machine. If you want maximum chemical and sediment reduction to extend the lifespan of your washer, the AQUA CREST is exceptional.
Product number 2. Twinkle Star Hose Filter. Next up is the Twinkle Star Hose Filter Attachment, a brilliant, budget-friendly solution specifically engineered to trap heavy sediments and debris. Unlike carbon filters that target chemicals, this is a heavy-duty mechanical strainer featuring a clear plastic housing that lets you actually see the dirt it's catching. It includes both a 100 mesh and a 40 mesh screen, allowing you to customize the level of filtration based on how much sediment is in your local water supply. Installing it behind your washing machine is incredibly straightforward, as the brass 3/4-inch fittings screw seamlessly onto your existing inlet hoses. The greatest benefit of this filter is that it's entirely reusable. You simply unscrew the clear casing, rinse the stainless steel mesh under the tap, and put it right back on. For homeowners dealing with well water or heavy rust flakes, the Twinkle Star provides unbeatable physical protection.
Product number 3. MINGLE Garden Hose Filter. Coming in at number 3 is the MINGLE Garden Hose Filter, another fantastic sediment trapping option that translates perfectly to indoor washing machine use. Similar to the Twinkle Star, this filter was originally engineered to protect sensitive high-pressure washer pumps from destructive debris, meaning it's more than capable of protecting your expensive washing machine's internal inlet valves. It features a heavy-duty, leak-resistant design with robust threading that creates a watertight seal against your laundry hoses. Inside the transparent housing, it utilizes a dual screen system to capture everything from large pebbles to fine sand and calcium deposits. By stopping these hard water particulates at the source, you actively prevent your washing machine's internal screens from clogging, which often leads to slow fill times and costly repair bills. It's incredibly easy to clean and maintain, making the MINGLE an essential, durable safeguard for any household struggling with heavy sediment.
Product number 4. Lifefilter RV Inline Water Filter. Our fourth contender is the Lifefilter RV Inline Water Filter, a premium, high-capacity chemical filtration unit designed to deliver impeccably clean water. This filter shines when dealing with heavily chlorinated city water that can fade your dark clothes and break down fabric elasticity over time. It boasts an NSF-certified multi-stage filtration process that aggressively targets chlorine, fluoride, bad odors, and microscopic rust particles. The inclusion of a flexible hose protector is a massive advantage for tight laundry rooms, allowing you to push your washing machine closer to the wall without crimping the water supply line. One filter can efficiently process thousands of gallons of water, easily lasting several months of regular laundry cycles before needing a replacement. If your primary goal is to eliminate harsh chemicals and odors from your wash water to protect sensitive skin and preserve your wardrobe, the Lifefilter provides outstanding, continuous, reliable performance.
Product number 5. Hourleey 2-Pack RV Inline Water Filter. Rounding out our top 5 is the Hourleey 2-Pack RV Inline Water Filter, offering the absolute best long-term value for keeping your laundry water pristine. This bundle provides 2 high-quality carbon and KDF filters, giving you an extended supply of filtration right out of the box. The Hourleey excels at neutralizing heavy metals, rust, and chlorine, ensuring that your whites stay brilliantly white and your machine's drum remains free from scale buildup. It threads perfectly onto any standard washing machine inlet valve in seconds, requiring absolutely no tools or plumbing experience to install. The robust exterior shell is designed to withstand high continuous water pressure without cracking or leaking. By actively conditioning the water before it mixes with your laundry detergent, you'll actually find that your soaps lather better and clean more effectively. The Hourleey 2-pack is a smart, cost-effective investment for upgrading your daily laundry routine.
The AQUA CREST and Lifefilter sit comfortably in the mid-range, offering premium chemical reduction and included hose protectors. Finally, the Hourleey offers the best bulk value by providing 2 filters at a highly competitive price point. Check the links in the description below for the most up-to-date pricing on all these models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home appliance gear reviews. Keep your clothes looking fresh, and I'll see you in the next video.